welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a vintage McCulloch. It's custom built. It looks like a 795 frame. It has a 193 motor in it. That's that 103cc motor. This was custom built for the timber cutters, and it features a 36-inch bar and chain. That's 404 chain, and that is a roller nose. See the roller in the end of the bar there. Now we'll look at some of the features it has. Has a manual oiler on the left here. Kill switch in the middle. Choke is on the right. It does have the Tillotson carburetor. It's a very nice carburetor. They're very easy to rebuild. Wrap handlebars, 3/4 wrap. These were quarter was replaced here, or cut out, so you could easily access the starter on the side here. Typical starter, they catch. Got a little catch problem there. This one does catch about half the time. Got an automatic oiler on it. It was just a barn find. Does run real good. I did remove the muffler. Look inside, very clean inside. If you're looking to get a saw that you can restore, or if you want to do some tinkering on it for daily use, you're going to have to do a little work on it. A very nice vintage McCulloch muscle saw.